Hi guys, today we'll trade on the Quotex platform, and before we start I recommend you trading by my signals where the profit of transactions is more than 80%. Please come to my Telegram for more details and let's start trading. We begin our trade session with a balance of $30. The expiration time is 1 minute for us. The main indicator that I will use will be the alligator and the parabolic, which are responsible for the movement and direction of the trend, as well as the auxiliary CCI indicator indicating the overbought or underbought state of the price. On the currency pair, let's get down to trade. We will choose the first currency pair that will give us a higher payout percentage. At this stage, we will be able to open our trade to reduce the price, as we now see that we have crossed the moving average lines of the indicator. The alligator, which now, as we see, it's hitting on the crossed upward impulse. We also see that our price was an underbought state, after which our price reached the underbought state, the level of sales. Now we see that our trend is starting to be upward. The moving average parabolic indicates this to us. Yes, we managed to close our deal successfully, as the end of our deal was at the green candle. So we managed to successfully close our deal. We see what the sharp rebound we followed. We closed our trade in the shadow of the candle. Move on. Here we can open our trade to reduce the price, since we see that we have a downtrend. The moving average of the line of our alligator indicator indicates that now we are starting to decline in price. Our lines have been crossed. We also see that high volatility has risen on this currency pair. So now we see that support and resistance lines have been formed. So now we expect that the price has pushed up from the support to the overbought state, that is to the resistance, and also followed downward. So now we will successfully close our deal along the downtrend, and let's wait for the end. So we have successfully closed our deal and move on using the following currency pairs. Here we see that we can open our deal to increase the price, as we see that our price is in an overbought state up to the resistance level. Our price still has not yet reached. Therefore, now we expect that after our price reaches the resistance level, the price will follow downward. By now, based on this trend, as well as the moving averages and the which have started the dominant movement in the uptrend, we will be able to successfully close our trade on a green candle. We see a hammer forming a candle pattern, so we can successfully close our trade. So we successfully close our deal. Move on. Let's open our deal to reduce the price here, since we see that the price has reached an overbought state, so it was not reached the resistance level, as we see. But from the formed support lines and resistance, we can now expect that this will give us an impulse for the red candle with a trend reversal. Therefore, we can now expect a sequence of a downtrend. The Therefore, on the red candle, we can successfully close our trade. So let's wait until it closes. So we successfully close our trade, and the next open currency pass. Here we can also open our trade to reduce the price, as you see that the price is in an overbought state for a long time. Also, our moving averages, alligator and parabolic, have an upward direction. Now we either close our deal on the shadow of a candle or wait for a red candle. It will also give an impulse or expect a shadow. The shadow also gives a signal that a sale will begin now, as well as an impulse for a trend reversal. So now let's wait for our trade to close. So we perfectly closed our trade in the shadow of the candle. So we go further. Here we can also open our trade to reduce the price, as we see that shooting star candle pattern has formed. These can now tell us about a decrease in our price. Also a change in the trend, but now we will expect a red candle or a high shadow of a green candle. So let's wait for the completion of our trade, and we successfully close it on the red candle. So we have successfully closed the deal. Let's open a double. Here we'll open a double deal for a decrease in the price. Here we also see a sequence of candle patterns. We also had an increase in price. Based on this, we have what we have in an overbought state. The price has been for a long time. So now we can expect a red candle on which we will have an impulse with a bloom point. So let's wait for a red candle on which we will successfully close our trade. So we successfully close our trade on a red candlestick and move on. Let's open our double trade for a decline here, as we see that we have a signal on the sell shadow on the overbought state. Now, as we see, the moving average also give a parabolic, we see a trend reversal. So now we will wait for the continuation of our red candles. Which now, as we see, the support lines is formed and the resistance line of the moving average. We now have a sideways movement. As we see, they begin to reversal. So as we see, we have a small correction in price. Let's wait until our deal is completed. Great! We successfully close our trades here. In a similar way, we can open our trades to reduce the price, since we see that the price has been in an overbought state for a long time now. We may also follow the continuation of our red candle and a decline to the descent in the trend. Where now we will have support and resistance lines from which the price will already emanate and repel. As we see, now we have a shadow, so now we'll wait until our deal is closed. Excellent, we successfully closed our trades on this concept pair. We see that we have formed support with resistance. So now we see how price began to push off from the support level. So now we can wait for our trade to close on our reversal from support prices. So now let's wait for the successful closure of our deal. Now we see how with the shadow of the red candle. So here we can successfully close our deal. Let's wait for the completion. So as I said, we have successfully closed our deal. Let's open our last deal for today. So here we can open our deals to reduce the price. Now we see that a trend begins, a trend as we see a downtrend. Also, we have formed support with the resistance. Strong volatility has been formed by now based on impulse green candles. We can successfully close our deal, so let's wait until our deal is closed. So we have successfully closed all our deals with plus. We showed you a good trade today. So it was a good trade session today. We have closed successfully all deals. Therefore, I recommend you my private signals with my own strategy. Please follow my Telegram, follow my channel, and nice bonuses will be waiting for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.